Hello, today is April 28th, 2014. I'm Jeffrey Tennant. Let's discuss the mejt calls from today's market. Let's review the calls from last weekend, and let's try to make a prediction for what's coming up next. mejt gave a buy signal early in the day, and that worked. It gave a sell signal later in the day. It usually delivers far more than it did, but it worked. We had a late rally. The system says it's not for keeps and targets 1858.11. For reasons I will discuss, I do not think it will print tomorrow in its preferred time frame. We also had some signals from page 120 of my first book, The mejt System. This is a signal which I have followed for years, and even though it prints infrequently, it has never given a false signal. I'm 100% certain it works with failed targets on which it is based, but I don't have enough data when a failed target is optional, which was the case with this target. On those rare occasions when an optional target has been involved, the page 120 buy signal has also worked every single time. It gave a buy close to this low, it gave a buy close to this low. Anthropomorphically speaking, it looks as if the market wanted to satisfy some of these failed targets from a week and a half ago and then proceed higher, having accomplished its business. We had identified the area below this yellow line as support. That's based on closing prices, even though I didn't say it, and we've now closed over the line. I said I didn't want this blue line to be violated on the upside again, but it was. Today's pattern, based on someone else's work, almost always closes at or near the low of the day. On those rare occasions when it doesn't happen, it usually goes there the following morning. Assuming we don't get a big move down, that's not going to happen. So we have a break of support which did not hold, and a pattern which is usually negative which did not pan out. Usually when those things happen, you have to look for a move in the other direction, because when signals fail, they usually fail in a large way. Once again, speaking anthropomorphically, I think the market accomplished its business here and is probably going to aim for the targets we left failed on the 24th of April. That's 1881.50 and 1883.27 plus. I should point out that the same area, 1883.96 plus, is a sell signal based on somebody else's work. So the call for tomorrow, or with the next week, not necessarily tomorrow, is that we have a lower target, but absent a big gap down tomorrow, I think we're going higher first. And I'm looking for resistance at and just under the 1884 level, and that's the call.